Hello guys, welcome back to NQ Reef. As you can see, there is some change in your reef aquarium that we had a black background. Now I just removed that and trying it with various colors. At the moment is blue, but still I am not for it. So if you have an opinion about it, please feel free to mention in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this video, after a delay of around 2 months, is basically to give you an update what all changes that I brought and what all new is there. So without wasting time, let's get on to the reef closely. The blaster has been moved here back to its original place as it was. Elegance is all fine. It has rather developed another side of itself here, and it is growing. The mushrooms, various this rock has been specified. I added this rock of zoas to just to fill in space. GSP was again brought from the cube into the flow, and the Aken basically was stressed. It remained stressed for so many months, but then I had to literally feed it every third day to and recover it in this condition, and just put it back from cube last night, and it's happy. The Zoa garden again is doing fine, growing ahead. The Lobo brain is also very fluffy, happy, and this looks more happy when it is in the cube under this Chinese black box. But this is first day. Let's see. It was disturbed because of vermitids, but seems the tank has literally survived the vermitid infestation, or they have got used to it. The mix mushroom, cloves, Zoa's garden. I've raised this candy cane again. This willow leather is at the moment under high flow. This is basically a high flow time. The Digitata is left here. There are few frags that I have added, and courtesy my clown tang, she loves breaking them time and time again. So I have to literally glue them. As you can see, this the middle one is broken, so I have to glue them again, and she just wastes my month of interesting effort. And the Aura bird nest was trimmed a lot, and just to bring light to the zoa so that they can spread. There was a Monty here, big Monty, that I have gifted to one of my friend. You can see the flow at this time is just blasting, because 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the noon. I just blast so that you can see, so that all the dirt, detritus is raised up and goes into the sun. The gravel is all clean, absolutely clean, you can see, alhamdulillah. And the goni is also looking nice. It was receding, but then I had to add iron and manganese from two little fishes because it has manganese as well. So I'm dosing it weekly, and it has shown some recovery. The Anacropora, it keeps breaking. This clown is basically not an, it's actually the name of clown. She is clown because she loves breaking the corals. Then Milka, few SPS frags added, and this Polyslimer again broken. Few frags there. Monty's left in a corner here. So overall, I see the tank is maturing, rather has matured in a beautiful manner. I keep nutrients at around 5 nitrate, and my efforts are that I keep phosphate at 0.07 as an average, where if it is If it rises to 0.12, 0.15, I just use lanthanum chloride and bring it back to 0.06 or 0.07. And something about refugium. See, no filter socks. I don't use it until unless I have to clean the tank. Since I feed very heavily, it is on wet skim. The Cheeto is growing absolutely well. This is my anaerobic zone, and the effluent is currently at 10.5 ml per minute. It's my degassing chamber. So nothing special here other than the Cheeto is healthy and growing. And also the dozer update is that it is doing wonderful. It is working 24/7 and likely to continue for another 1 year or so. The UV is hot and running. My cabinet is doing fine, other than that I lost the temperature probe. It just stopped working, and the new one is on its way. The cube is doing fine, other than that my torch is not doing well, but I'll just see what I can do with this. This is my recovery cube, you can say. The Lord Aken was stung by mushroom and it has landed into this sort of state. You can see the SPS, it's in Chinese light and it is showing colors as well as growth. All these are growing in this Chinese black box. So the next update is that I'm culturing phyto. My previous talk was finished. The last refrigerated bottle was used and it is now culturing. I think in another 2 days, 3 days it will be ready. So this is my cube sump full of coralline. I reduced some coralline here because the magnesium is getting very low. The heaters are on, the temperature remains same. Recently I have tried to actually color up this white, this Antheus. You can see she's getting colored up, and I had to give it a lot of fresh food and cyclopeas and chroma so that she colors up. As you can see, there is pink color coming up, and basically my nutrients lately were all over the place because of this color, this fish. And you can see I'm very happy that she's getting pinkish shade now. She was completely white because she was the only one left, but then I brought her few more Antheas and she's now recovering her colors. So this was a little update, and again apologize for being absent, but due to commitments definitely we were busy, but inshallah soon I'm planning that I should be regular in my updates. So if you have any comment, question, query, anything you want to talk, you can write in comment, and do share the little that I have given update if you feel like. Thank you. See you again. Allah Hafiz.